Hello everyone! Welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today's tutorial is extra adorable because we're drawing Jack-Jack Parr, the youngest member of the incredible superhero family from Disney. Pixar's The Incredibles. Jack-Jack may look like an ordinary baby, but fans know he has an amazing collection of superpowers. His cute expressions and simple character design make him a perfect subject for artists of all skill levels. Let's begin by sketching a large circle for the head. Jack-Jack's head is much larger than his body, which gives him that classic baby appearance. Keep your pencil strokes light so you can easily make adjustments if needed. Now let's draw his signature superhero mask. Make sure the eyes are large, round, and evenly spaced. These expressive eyes are one of the most important features because they make Jack-Jack look playful and full of curiosity. Next, add the small nose, smiling mouth, and the tiny tuft of hair on top of his head. Even though these details are simple, they instantly make the character recognizable. Moving down, we'll sketch the small body wearing Jack-Jack's superhero costume. Draw the arms bent toward the face with both hands together, giving him a cheerful and excited pose. Next, draw the legs in a relaxed sitting position. Use smooth curves instead of straight lines to keep the drawing soft and cartoon-like. Finish the feet with simple rounded shapes. Once the full sketch is complete, erase all unnecessary construction lines. Now it's time to outline everything with a black marker or Fineliner. Try to keep your lines smooth and confident. Thicker outer lines and thinner inner details will give your artwork a clean, professional look. If you plan to color your drawing, use bright red for Jack-Jack's superhero suit, black for the mask, gloves, and boots, and a light peach color for the skin. Add a little shading to create extra depth and make your artwork stand out. Drawing cartoon characters is a great way to improve your observation, skills, and line control. Even simple characters help you practice proportions, facial expressions, and clean outlines. If you'd like to see more Disney or Pixar characters on the channel, leave your suggestions in the comments. I always enjoy hearing your ideas, and they help decide future tutorials. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love drawing and animated movies. Don't forget to subscribe to Hobbyist Artist and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new drawing tutorial. New videos featuring cartoons, superheroes, anime, movie characters, and realistic portraits are uploaded regularly. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Keep practicing, stay creative, and remember that every drawing helps you become a better artist. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy drawing!